Hello everyone, I'm Fadila and I'm here going to answer and also explain about the questions that related to tenses. So the topic is about past tense and present perfect tense. Alright, to make it clear, I will show you the questions. Alright, here's the questions. But before we answer these questions, we need to figure out what's the difference between past tense and present perfect tense. So basically, these two tenses are talking about something in the past, but the difference is for past tense, it's talking about something in the past that has done. It's already done. So now, right now, we don't do that things anymore. But for present perfect tense, it's a tense that we use to explain something that happened in the past but still continuously still happen right now, or it has an effect until now. All right. Okay, so the formula for past tense is verb to plus we need to mention specific time. Okay, but for present perfect tense, the formula is have plus have or has. It depends on the subject plus verb 3. All right. Now to make it clear, I'm going to show you the example of past tense first, okay? For past tense, the example is I ate banana 2 hours ago. Okay, here we use verb 2. What about the first one? The first one is eat, right? So the verb 2 is ate. And we mentioned this specific time, which is 2 hours ago. So in this sentence, it's so clear that 2 hours ago, I ate banana. I want to tell you that 2 hours ago, I ate banana. Okay, what if you just say, I ate banana? Normally, people will confuse and will ask, when did you do that? When did you eat banana? So to make it clear, to make it complete, we need to mention the specific time. If you want to use ate, I ate banana 2 hours ago, or I ate banana yesterday, I ate banana 10 minutes ago, something like that. All right, what about present perfect tense? Present perfect tense. I will just say PPT for short, okay? The example is, I have eaten banana. That's it. We don't need to mention the time. I'm using have here because the subject is I. I will use has if the subject is like eat, she, he. She has eaten banana. Like that. So here, eaten is a verb 3 of it, right? But we don't need to mention the time because I just want let you know. I just want to let you know that I have eaten banana. That's it. When was that? I don't care. And I don't focus on the time. But I just want you to know that I have eaten banana. That's it. Okay? That's the difference between past tense and present perfect tense. All right, now back to the questions. Let's take a look to the questions. So here, the town's swimming pools and cinemas, blah, 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 a few decades after that. A few decades after that, it seems like this passage, all of this passage It's actually a continual passage. So it has previous passage before that. So that's why we can see a few days, a few decades after that. After when? After that. Blah, blah, blah. Something that has been mentioned before. But the questions is like part of the passage. Okay. So a few decades after that is a specific time. Since it's a specific time, so we need to use past tense. So if we need to use past tense, it means that we need to put verb to in it. What's the verb to? Has opened or opened? Of course, opened, right? Because has opened for present perfect tense. All right? So next, in recent years, several big music festivals have blah, 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 a party feeling to the city. In recent years, probably you're asking, probably you will ask about that. But actually, in this sentence, it's so clear that it has have in it. So all we need to do is just add the verb to read, right? So it will be present perfect tense. In recent years, when was that? I don't know, just like in recent years. No years, like no specific time. So we need to mention verb 3. I mean, we need to mention we need to use present perfect tense in this sentence. So it will be brought, have brought, have brought, have brought. Have already in a sentence. So all we need to do is just put verb 3. All right. Next, today the population of Britain is 156,000. In the last few years, it blah 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 a very expensive place to live, but it is still a great place to visit. In the last few years, when it's not clear. So since it's not a specific time, we need to use present perfect tense, which is have or has plus verb 3. So it will be has become. This has become. This is became. No, became is a verb 2 of become. So the verb 1 is become, verb 2 is became, and verb 3 is become. So this has plus verb 3. This is verb 2, not the right one. And this has become, right? And this is became, not right. So after we see all of the options, now we can figure out the answer. So the answer is option C. Because the town's swimming pool and cinemas, and then we need to use past tense because a few decades after that, so it's opened. In recent years, several big music festivals have brought a party feeling to the city. Today, the population of Brighton is 156,000. In the last few years, it has become. Why don't you just say like it have? Because the subject it will use with has. So it has become. Here, the right answer. So for these questions, the right answer is option C. Thank you.